Hey beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so for this, if you are new here, do remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel as well as follow me on my Instagram right here. It's Harris on Instagram. Alright, so for today's video, it's actually a very short and sweet video. It's just about how I do my eyebrows on a daily basis, be it to work, be it going out, be it going on a date. My routine is simple, and if you're interested to know how I get this snatch eyebrow, do keep on watching. Alright, so actually all you need is just 3 items. First up, you must have your eyebrow brush. I got this from Essence, and look at the tip. It's very thin, so it's very easy for you to get into your individual hairs. Secondly, I bought this eyebrow pomade by Anastasia. This is in the color ash brown, and if you're in Singapore, it costs you about $35 for a pomade. And actually up to now, I have it for about 3 to 4 months, and up to now I still can say that the product is actually quite decent. There's still maybe 3/4 left in the pomade, so yeah. This is the only product that works for my eyebrow because I have such oily skin. Like those of you who are not new here, you know that my skin can be very oily every day, throughout the day. So I think like Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade is actually like a step up game for me to do my eyebrows. And last but not least is to get one of the Q-tip so that later you can clean up all the mess that you made from the pomade. Okay, so for the first step, normally what I would do is I would just use my hand to go through my eyebrows like that. Okay, then once I see that my eyebrow is okay and it's like the shape that I wanted, I'll just take my eyebrow brush, dip it in maybe 5 times, and then I would like, normally I'll do the right side one first, then followed by the left side. Alright, so I'll just go from the back like here. Alright, something like that, and then I'll just fill up the rest. Okay, so for me, right, I don't really like natural brows. I like it to be like darker at the end, so just dip into the product some more and continue. So if you realize, I actually extended the corner of my eyebrow to until like the corner of my eye here. It's because I have hooded eyes, and I like my eyebrows to be like you know, the bad bitch vibe. It's looking good so far. So I'll just fill the rest in. Okay, so don't worry if you make any mess here, so we're gonna clean it up. And for this front part here, what I would do is I won't take any more products. I'll just use whatever that's left and just try to make it an ombre or fill it up. Okay. Something like that. Alright. Okay, so yeah, I'll do the same thing for my other brow. And I'll get back to you. Right. So this is the end product of my eyebrow. Okay, I mean they are definitely related, maybe sisters or stepsisters, and I don't mind this eyebrow. Alright, so for those of you who haven't subscribed to my channel, do remember to do so for my future content. And with that, stay safe everybody. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.